off Amazon and it's not working. The guy's just dropped it. It comes on and now it's blowing out just cold air. It's turned right up for the heat and it's cold air that's coming up. It keeps flickering. Now it's hot air. I'll show you. So I take this light off. It flickers there in the corner like it wants to stay on, and then that happens and then it goes cold. I replaced it because it lasted me a long time, the last one, which is sitting here, because it's only blowing out cold air as well. Russell Hobbs, you need to fix up. I want my money back on this one. I will be sending this heater, I will send it back tomorrow.
Just so I know where the bottom of the snowbank.
So bad that after buying this, it stopped working. I think 5 days after, it went off and it will never come back on again. And you see, it's brightly plugged now. Okay, you can see there's light in the socket, and it definitely wouldn't come on. Can you see? It definitely wouldn't come on again. So I definitely would not recommend this product to any other person though.
The Russell hob heater is perfect for cold mornings while working in my workshop. Thank you.
It's not working.